Hello there, everyone. I love this little GoPro knockoff. It's a DB Power EX5000, and you can sometimes find these things online for like 20 bucks. Pete's paying $200 for a GoPro. Pretty much does the same thing. So you love it too, don't you, R2? Yeah, I thought you did. Yep. And if you all, look at the dinosaur, loves it too. Rawr. And if you love this video, go ahead and smash like for me because that helps me a lot. Okay, so enough of that. So I was going to use it today to shoot another video, and I found out that the time and date are wrong because I was probably charging a battery in here. So what you need to do is you press power. So I'm going to press power and show you the screen while I'm doing it. So power's on. It takes me a little minute through that splash screen. Come on. Turn on for me. And then you're in recording mode right here. So I'm going to be cycling through the screens by pressing this button right here. Next screen is your streaming. Next screen is playback. And then the next screen is your menu. So you navigate through the menu by pressing these two buttons on the side here. See, up and down. And you go, down or up, and highlight the menu item that you want. So just keep going down. Here it says date and time. Now in order to select the highlighted feature, you have to use the OK button on the top, which is also the button that you press to record things. Press that, and now you're in date and time. So obviously it's not 2015, although we all wish it were. And so unfortunately we're in 2021, although things look like they're getting better. So hang in there, guys. And today's the 15th, and actually I need to get my phone out to find out what the time is. And it says it's 3:26, so we're going to go 15, right? Military time, so 3 p.m., 3:26. By the time I do this, though, it might be 3:27. So, and then that's it. And then you press this button again to get out of that, and then press it again, and then you're back in recording mode. So that's how you set up the camera on your GoPro knockoff DB Power EX5000. And if you have one of these, go ahead and put that in the comments below and tell me how much you love it, because R2 loves it, and so does Mr. Dinosaur. Rawr. And yeah, have a great day today. See if you can help somebody, and I appreciate your time. Have a great day. Thanks.